Alright guys, what is up? We are back. You thought I forgot about you guys on YouTube. I've been off, I don't know, for maybe like a week or something. The quarantine cook, we came out of quarantine. That's right, we broke the quarantine. We're naughty, don't tell anybody, but I've been fishing. So basically, I've been trying to catch fish to cook on the show, but right now we don't have anything to show for the effort. So we're cooking something else. We're cooking burgers on the grill today. I am making homemade french fries along with it. I got the charcoal already started in the tube. I got the deep fryer started. And I've been using my new knife. I'm pretty excited about this. My Pampered Chef knife. Cutting up my potatoes there and getting them soaking in some water. So, I haven't decided if we're going to make the Juicy Lucy recipe today or not, but I'm definitely going to show you guys a couple secrets on the burger recipe. So we'll be doing that up. Alright, so guys, I wanted to show you this here. I got my burger. I put this in a bowl. And we're going to add some stuff to it. So I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. We're just going to pour a bunch of this in there. We're going to put some A1 sauce in there. I got the nice bottle of A1. That in there. Some Nature's seasoning mix. Add a little flavor. That's good. Add some salt and some pepper. That'll add some flavor. And now what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to patty these into small patties. And then I'm probably going to put some cheese in between the patties today. I haven't decided if that's how exactly I want to do it yet. But that is the secret recipe. I'll let you guys get a look in there. Yum, yum, yum. So that's what's up there. Alright, so there's another thing I want to throw in here. While you're doing this, usually what I do to make my burger patties, there's a little bit of an art to this. Now, everybody's got different size hands, but I was always taught a perfectly cupped hand would be like a quarter-pound burger. So that's how I like to do it. Now, because I'm going to make these Juicy Lucy's, I'm actually going to split these in half. And I'm just going to make these really small patties, about like this size here. Real thin ones. And then we're going to put some cheese in there, in the middle. And it's going to be real good. So, that's a Juicy Lucy. It's my favorite way to make a burger. Especially when you got a bunch of cheese that you need to burn up. You got nothing else to do with it. Stuff it inside a burger. It's awesome. And you got to be a little careful when it comes off. If it comes off the grill, it's going to probably be hot. And probably going to spray cheese everywhere. But that's how you know it's good. We want the cheese to spray. So, yeah, like I said, we've been off the quarantine cook for a few days. Been out fishing, trying to catch fish. I caught a few. You guys aren't probably interested in my fishing expeditions, but there is a couple videos on the YouTube channel, fishing related. Hopefully we'll get to show you guys how to fillet fish, because that's one thing that I've been watching a lot of people try to fillet fish and they don't know how to do it. So I might teach you guys that. It's a good life skill to have. Fresh fish is always good. We've been fishing catch and release ponds, so that has been what we've been doing. The weather's finally getting nice. There might be a remote chance we might get to come out of quarantine partially in the next couple days. So that'll be interesting. But you guys thought we forgot about you, and we didn't. We didn't forget about you. We haven't been cooking a lot. I've been out of the kitchen, taking shortcuts. So now that I got like one nice layer of burgers here, just like that, we'll set the cheese in there and then we'll start our second layer. And don't forget, I did drop a load of French fries, so those should be coming along pretty good. I want to check on those. Those take a little while, so I would recommend if you want French fries with your meal, you cook them the entire time you're preparing your meal, because they'll probably be still gone by the time you get to the point where it's time to eat. But at least everybody will be sick of French fries by then. This is the 4 Guys Burger and Fries recipe today. So
there's only 3 guys in this house.
3 guys, burgers and fries. Alright, just so you guys can see here, we got the first patties set up with our cheese. We're gonna put our second layer on there and get them babies ready. Alright guys, we're back outside. I got the grill hot and ready. Let's check that bad boy. Ooh. It's looking good. So out of 3 pounds, I got 9 burgers. Don't tell my wife that's like 1/3 of a pound per burger, but they're juicy loosies, you know, so it's just gonna have to be the way it is. We're gonna put a little bed in the grill today. This will keep my juices from starting fire. If you don't want it. Little wrap from our friends at Reynolds. All right, that's it. 4-ish minutes. We'll come back and check on them. Ooh la la. They're looking very good. And I got ready for summer. Right on the YouTube channel. That's how you properly pop a top. You put orange in there. Oh, it is the best thing you'll ever taste on a summer day. I don't know if it's summer yet. It could be spring.
Summer does not start until June. End of June.
Well, spring day then. Them fries are good. Them are gonna be gone. No one's getting any of them. I want you to have a close-up view of them babies. Ooh la la. Look at that sizzle. Yum. That's gonna be good. I was hungry for burgers. I'm getting burgers. I'm getting them BK my way from the Travis Quarantine Cook. I've exposed my identity now. I've given up my verified identity. This thing you see right here, that's called flavor. We might just seal that flavor right in there. I love the little char griller. Walmart or Menards special, I don't know who got it from, but it was cheap. And you can bolt it onto a big old grill. And I can have a big old charcoal grill set up on here. But this thing works perfect, except for my table has got a little bit of a lean to it. We need to do a little bit more cleaning on the patio. But and all it does is rain. It just rains and rains and rains. In a couple days it's not raining. Gotta go fishing.
So, yeah. That's not.
You can also boil hamburgers. It's okay. We did it with onions, sauteed onions. It's not too bad. It's another option. Tastes a little weird. specialty in the East Coast. Oh, they done. They done. Alright guys, so we got the Juicy Lucy's off the grill and we have ate and put everything away, and I am still cooking French fries. So just in case you're wondering, yes, start cooking fries and don't stop. I just want to give you guys a look inside the fryer here. See how these are coming along. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So depending on how long you want them, takes like 8 to 10 minutes roughly in the deep fryer, but that's it. Juicy Lucy's, 3 guys, burger and fries. What we got coming up next? We got pork loin, we got chicken pot pie coming up, we got a couple other things to tease you with. Tater tot hot dish. That's it on Quarantine Cook. This is episode number 7. Took a little break, but we're back. We're gonna run out a couple more episodes, and we'll see you guys later. Have a good one.